My name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialties is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental rug that is saturated with a dog or cat urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, no deodorized, no enzyme, and no pee-pee. Guarantee. So let me show you what I have today. March 2019, I got a call from a nice lady, and she said to me, "We have more than 5 dogs, and we have a supersized rug, very big, and it smells so bad, so nobody can clean it. We try everything in the house, steam cleaning, dry cleaning, and this supersized antique Oriental rug, saturated with a dog's urine odor so bad that or you can clean it or we're going to put it in a dumpster. This is 120 years old Persian rug, custom made to this house. Can you clean it?" I said, "Definitely. Please come over." She gave me the address in Wallington, Florida, and I'm on my way to pick up 18 by 28 supersize antique Oriental rug. Before I came to the business of PetPeePee, I was a wildlife photographer. I love the nature, and my artwork, it's reflected by the beautiful Oriental rug. I made a ceiling artwork, then it is reflection of the Oriental rug, then I clean. I love the art of the Oriental rug, and I love the art of nature. You can see my nature and artwork the end of this video.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.